Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got one more Kia Sonet to get it modified. So here what customer wanted is he wanted an auto folding mirror. So on the base model you don't get an auto folding mirror. So what we have done here is we wanted to get it upgraded with a new mirror. So now we are completely replaced with a new mirror. So what we have done here is we have painted the mirror as well. It came with a white color, so we have painted as with the company car color as well. So let me show you how it is going to work. So now the mirror is open. So I'm going to close it. So it will close, and if I open it, it will open. So the same thing if you come down here on the switches, if I close it, it will close. If I open it, it will open. So the mirror is open. So if I close it, it will get closed. If I want it to open, it will get open. So a lot of people have this concern, like when we change our auto folding mirror, the mirror adjustment does not happen. So here what we wanted to show is, if you see here, right, the mirror adjustments will work on both the side perfect as it was working in the showroom on your original mirrors. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with auto folding mirror, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.